this is how it has. You see, ah, this is how. So when you look at it, you realize it has. I've already done it for us. So what you have, the story that you have given it to him, it has given it to us. Have you seen? So this should tell you that Charlie, things are easier online. Have you seen? These are examples of videos that is the free one. I'm doing one. That one, if you have money, you can do it. But right now, you see, so it is very good already. What I'm telling you, I was we did some small video without any camera, but I've created. You understand? Then you save it. Then you go here, you finish, then you go to download. You are gone. Yes, very simple. A lot of things are here, but I don't want this video to be very long, so I will cut it here for now. But for now, thank you for